this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a poster and a handout in Canva. First, we are going to search in Google Canva. Now you have to enter your username, and if you don't have, you need to create an account. Now we are gonna start with the poster. We have an examples here that we can use for the poster. You can choose whatever you want. Now I'm gonna do a poster of an election of a student president in the high school. And I'm gonna do it. I can edit the letter and the style of the letter. Now if I want, I can choose the color of the letter. I suppose that I want to use maybe the color pink or blue better for me, and I'm going to edit this for the campaign of the president. Now I'm gonna finish the poster. Like you see, the election campaign for the high school. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the handout in Canva. So here I have an example that I did it. I did about a karaoke night, like you can see. I'm gonna edit the color because I want to be more colorful. For it's so simple. Do the handout. If I want, I can add an image or an element or text. We have a lot of samples here. Also, I can change the background, or I can add an imagine or file. And it's simple. If you want to do another page, you can add, because in the handout you can do more than one page. So this is the tutorial for the handout and the posters. Thank you for your attention.